everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log out and switch ChatGPT accounts on iPhone. If you want to use a different account, here's a quick and safe way to do it. First of all, open a ChatGPT app on your iPhone and chat the three dots icon on the top right corner or top left corner of your screen, and then click on your name. Next, scroll down and click the logout option and then confirm it. Next, what you're gonna do is on the login screen, choose your preferred sign-in method, Apple ID, Google ID or email, and then log in with the new account you want to use. Once you're signed in, ChatGPT will switch accounts and your new account chat history will load automatically. Always make sure Privacy tip: always make sure you're signed in with the correct Apple ID, Google account or email to keep your chat history separate and secure. Quick fix: if it keeps logging you back into the old account, goes to settings, Safari and clear history. Reset the ChatGPT app, then try logging in again. This clears cache sessions and that may autofill your previous login, and that's it. Subscribe for more.